everything she has done. And yeah, thank you.
Kia ora, James. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Charlotte Severn, from the Assistant Vice-Chancellor of Massey University. Please bear with us. We are Tongan, so we are very patient. So we've got one more special award that's going to be announced and presented by the General Manager of the Auckland Airport, Mr. Scott Tasker. We would like to warmly welcome him onto the Tongan stage. Hello.
Maloelele, kia ora, good afternoon. Auckland Airport is thrilled to be involved with this wonderful community event today. We are very pleased to be the sponsor of the judges, and we would like to offer an award today to some of the teachers and cultural workers who have looked after one of the teams from one of the schools, and that is the Southern Cross campus. So the teachers and cultural team from Southern Cross campus, we have a lovely award here for you. Congratulations.
Whamalo lahe ni ki he Auckland Airport. Koe pale koe ni nei whaaki e ki he tau Mana Host School, Southern Cross Campus. I he nau pōpō mo to kon lahi ki he stage tonga I he fwoi aho e whaa ko e ni. I guess this is the moment you've all been waiting for. So give me a wave. Eo. We are going to do this in the most respectful way. We're going to clap. There is nothing to be thrown or shouting. You're just going to clap your hand. Can you guys all clap your hands? Just like that. All right, we're going to warmly ask our MP for Manukau East, Honourable Jenny Lato Salesa, to present the first 3 awards. And we're going to also ask our stage coordinator, Fane Keto. She will be making the announcements for the 2017 awards for our Tongan stage. So I'll pass on the mic to Fane. Malo. Thank you, Jenny.
Malo Aupito, te tau kamata pe me he laka laka. Ko e tolu ke laka laka I he wafe taha fitu. Aia e whaake tuia he tau whawhalanglangi o e tau ko e ni e Jenny Latu Salesa. Laka laka ko e tolu ko Aurelia College. Wesley College. Ko ikuna o e laka laka o e wafe taha fitu I Tongan stage o ku aveia ki Mount Roscoe Grammar School. Te tau hokot ke tau whakaniua. Koe tolu ke tau whakaniua, St. Paul's College. School. Ko ikuna o e tau whakaniua o e tauni o Aveia e St. Peter's College. Te tau hoko atu ki he tau o lunga. Ko e tolu ki he tau o lunga he wawhetaha fitu Southend Cross Campus. Ko e ua Alfriston College. Ko ikuna ke wheo hi tau o lunga, wawhetaha fitu he Tongan Stage, James Cook High School. I would like to ask the AVC from Massey University to please present the next 3 items. Koe kai lao. Koe whikaua ke kai lao, St. Paul's College. Kuna o kai lao e wawhetaha fitu ke Tongan Stage, Wesley College. Koe tolu ke whiauhi o e whahaiula, Avondale College. Koe ua, Berridine College. Ko ikuna o e whahaiula ke tauni Mount Roskill Grammar. Aki na e tahape pe aku I kuna ia e Northcote College. Ko kole pe ke fie matamu at sales vei kune ke kataki o mea mai o foaki ai ngahi pare o ngahi Faiva koe ni. Koe mā ulu ulu. Koe tolu Mangry College. College. Ko I kuna o e whiauhi maulu e tauni o ku aluia mo Edgewater College. Mila Lua na tahape ai ave ya ki Kelson Girls. Koe soke. Soke tolu Onehanga High School. Mangry College. Ko I kuna o e whiauhi soke o e tauni o kutoe alupeia mo Edgewater College. We've got 2 more items to go, so I would like to invite the principal of the host school for 2017, Robin Staples, to please come forward and present these 2 last items. Koe Mako. Koe tolu he Mako, St. Peter's College. Koewa, Kelston Boys High School. Ko I kuna o e mako ke wafe taha fitu o aluia mo Sacred Heart College. Ko kore atu pe kai ngā tonga, o walewa mo ate ke ngaue, kai toe tau Faiva e taha, pe whai tau lot wha os pe tau tok mātuku. Koe Faiva whakaosi, koe tau otu haka, koe ua ke otu haka ko Carmel College. Pe koe iku nā, ko Kia Aroha College. Before we have our church minister here to close our 42 years of Polyfest, I would like the principal of the whole school to say a few words, since they are